Hey, oh.
I'm gonna get a show today.
Right? You don't see that every day.
Not at all.
Let's get it. See you guys. You look so cool, dude. Oh my God. White wall in the flesh, blessing us with his skills. I'm obsessed with this red grom. Oh, let me know if you guys think I should get a grom like that, because I'm totally thinking about it. So as you may have seen, broke the wrist. Oh, but I'm still out riding, baby. Bro, you're standing backwards. You're standing like this. That's crazy. I've never seen that in my life. Oh my God. No way. Oh shit. Yeah. He's on the Talaria now. I'm still on the one-handed Sur Ron. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hack this Talaria. Oh, perfect, perfect. All right, let's hack this thing. Everything's harder with one hand. You know the magic. You know how to hack this thing. Yes, sir. Walk me through this. Tell me what we're doing. And then we're gonna test it out and see what kind of difference it makes.
All right, so today we'll be hacking the Talaria.
Let's go.
The difference about this, right, we got different gear ratios. First things first, hold the button right here up top. Go all the way down to gear ratios. We'll have 4.7, 7.5, 8.4, 9.1, and 9.5. We'll go ahead and start off with the smallest, which is 4.7. See what she gives us.
So we got 5 gear modes. We're not quite sure which one adds torque or which one adds top speed, or if that's even what they do. So that's exactly what we're gonna test. So we're gonna start in the lowest gear mode, 1 to 4. This will be the start line. And then the end line maybe can be maybe right here. Yeah. We're gonna start in basically that same exact spot each time. But this camera's rolling. All right, white wall's got the POV, first gear. Let's get it.
All right, you guys, this is first gear. Let's go.
Run that back for each gear.
Cool. That was torquey though. Let's get it. All right, you guys, second gear. Let's go. All right, third gear. Let's go. Ready? 4. Ready? Go. All right, so we're on 5. Ready? Go.
Wait, so it went like this. The first round was one speed, then you went slower, slower, faster, faster.
Really?
So yeah, your 3 was your slowest at 6.
So I feel like the first one, I don't know, I just felt like it had the most torque. Like when I took off, I popped the wheelie right away.
Yeah, your first one.
Right? Second one, I went like, you know, I went good and not really no pop-up. Third one, middle, like, you know. Fourth, it has like a little like you said.
Here.
Fifth is where I felt like you could wheelie and it has all the power you need. Maybe it's like straight through.
Here's your numbers. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go back to 1.
That's so interesting.
That's crazy. So 1 levels out to 5.
Yeah.
Huh.
Holy shit, that's the exact same. 591.
So 1 and 5 are considered the same?
Have
But
the
it's also
fastest track time.
how accurate am I pushing the button?
Or we could try by popping it up, maybe.
Well, now give us more of a subjective, like.
I gotta get back to the shop now.
Oh, thank you so much for helping.
Also,
Give me a subjective, like how does each mode feel in terms of riding? And I think it'd be better to do just like the first mode, the middle mode, and then the last mode instead of all of them. It's too many.
Right, yeah. So like 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah. You said there's 4 or 5 modes?
There's 5 modes.
5. So do 1, 3, and 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do 1 wheelie around, and then I'm curious how it feels.
All right, let's do it. So we'll take her to mode 1. Let's see. Has a lot of torque. Mode 3. Now that's no torque at all. It's like eco mode pretty much.
So we're gonna have to do a top speed run because this one probably has the highest top speed, lowest torque.
Yeah, because it's middle, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, you know what? Let's do that now. Let's get your wheelie impression on the last gear, and then we'll do a top speed run.
So last gear is gonna be 9.5, and let's try her out. Let's give her a spin. I would say it just about equals out to the first mode. All right, how should we do the top speed run on this?
So I'm gonna rely on you looking at the speedometer and what the GoPro says on the on the speed.
So do middle and then
let's
first?
do first, middle, and then highest.
Oh, cool.
Although it's just a top speed run, so whenever you feel it max out.
All right. It should max out about where that white car is down there.
Yeah. So I'm gonna stand there and get a little flyby.
All right, cool. So we'll be running at top speed on the first mode. All right, first mode. Let's go. The first mode, it said I went 100 miles an hour 2 times.
Oh right, because didn't we say the speedo isn't reliable?
It isn't reliable unless it's on the second mode.
Okay, we'll rely on the GPS on the GoPro and
Okay, we'll rely on the GPS on the GoPro. Okay, we'll rely on the GPS on the GoPro.
So 8.4, we'll get it on that mode, and then we'll take her on the spin. All right, so this is gonna be the third mode. Let's go. That one probably tops out more.
I was gonna say, if that one doesn't top out more, then I'm super confused.
Yeah, I think that one tops out more because it's in the middle. All right, and then the last mode's gonna be 9.5. Let's do it.
So far, the first and last modes are the torquiest, but it looks like the middle mode is the fastest. Let's see the top run on the fastest, on the highest gear.
All right, so we got mode 5. Let's go. The last mode read about the right speed, I would say. So I don't know if that's considered the regular mode.
Okay, so it was the last one. Which of those 3 modes felt the fastest?
So which one of the 3 modes felt the fastest? I would say probably the 8.4.
And that's the highest one.
That's the middle.
Oh, the middle, good,
Yeah.
good. That's awesome. I'm happy to hear that because if it wasn't the fastest, why would there even be those modes?
Exactly.
That was so sick.
Yeah.
Good work, dude.
Yeah, yeah.
That was perfect.
I kicked you, good thing.
That was right in time.
I kicked you too.
All right, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out Whitewall, stuntman, best stuntman on the Grom in LA. And as always, stay tuned.